So if you're asking yourself, what am I supposed to be doing in regards to visitation with my children during this time? I want to make sure that you're aware of the Texas Supreme Court website and the emergency orders that have been put on there by the court. And the Texas Supreme Court is our highest court in Texas, so those orders that they're putting out are going to be, in most instances, what the courts in all the different cities are following. So the first order that I want to make sure everybody's aware of is emergency order number 1. And that addresses what the parties are supposed to do in the instances of spring vacation and when it starts and when it ends. So if you've been having an issue with that, I'd encourage you, 1, to talk to an attorney, but 2, go ahead and take a look at that order and make sure you understand and educate yourself about what it says. The second order I want to point you in the direction of is emergency order number 7. And that one is specifically addressing a lot of these shelter-in-place orders that cities are coming out with. So if you have visitation coming up and you're unsure, am I supposed to release the child? Do I get to see my child? Take a look at that emergency order number 7. Now, specifically talking about Bexar County, for those of you wondering, hey, why haven't I gone to court, or why isn't my case going anywhere? I want to make sure people understand that the courts, for most part across Texas, have been operating on a skeleton crew and addressing only those emergency cases. For Bexar County, we just found out this week that they will start doing hearings electronically, whether, I don't know if it's going to be Zoom or what platform it's going to be, but they're going to try to go ahead and get those other cases on the docket so they can start hearing the divorces and modifications and get those other matters before the court, before things get too backed up. So I don't know much more than that, but any information that we get, I will try to make sure to post on my website, on my Facebook, on my Instagram. So keep an eye out for that. And if you have any questions, again, make sure you're contacting an attorney for something specific to your case.